The 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am stands as one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever produced, blending aggressive performance with striking aesthetics. This particular example, finished in pristine polar white over a black vinyl interior, is a WS4 code Trans Am, reportedly equipped with its original numbers-matching L74 400 cubic inch V8 engine, paired to a 3-speed Turbo Hydra-matic 400 automatic transmission. The combination of performance, style, and meticulous restoration makes this Firebird Trans Am an exemplary collector car for enthusiasts who value both authenticity and driving excitement. Ownership and provenance. Offered by a private seller in Minnesota, this vehicle comes with a reproduction window sticker and a clear title, offering peace of mind regarding its history and legality. According to the seller, the Firebird's drivetrain is numbers matching, a rare and highly desirable attribute for collectors. The vehicle underwent a complete restoration in 2015, ensuring that its mechanical systems, exterior finish, and interior cabin reflect the care and attention of a professional restoration. The ownership history, while modestly documented, highlights the pride and attention that each caretaker of this car has provided over the decades. The restoration itself focused on authenticity, with details carefully replicated to match the original factory specifications. From the paint color to the badges, and from the wheels to the interior trim, this Trans Am exudes the charm and appeal of a classic 1970s muscle car. Exterior details. One glance at this Firebird Trans Am immediately evokes the era of American muscle cars at the peak of their power and style. The car is finished in polar white, complemented by the original blue graphics, including the distinctive Trans Am Screaming Chicken decal across the hood. This aggressive, aerodynamic package is further enhanced by a shaker hood with a rear-facing inlet, a feature that not only looks dramatic but feeds the powerful Ram air induction system below. Additional exterior highlights include a front air dam that contributes to both the car's handling and its unmistakable stance, along with a rear spoiler that enhances the visual balance and sporty profile of the vehicle. The dual color-matched remote side mirrors offer functional utility while maintaining the clean lines of the body, and the chrome rear bumper gleams as a testament to the care taken during the restoration. Wheels and tires. This Firebird rides on 15-inch Rally 2 wheels, a hallmark of Pontiac's performance lineup, wrapped in 255/60 Goodyear Eagle raised white letter radial tires. The tires provide excellent grip and a classic look that perfectly complements the aggressive stance of the car. These wheels not only enhance aesthetics but also contribute to a confident driving experience, whether cruising the open road or showcasing the car at a classic car event. Interior comfort and design. Inside, the Trans Am features a black vinyl interior with bucket seats designed to hold occupants securely during spirited driving. A center console with automatic shifter provides convenience and style, while the engine-turned aluminum panel adds a touch of sophistication and mechanical charm to the dashboard. The interior preserves the original character of the 1970s Pontiac, complete with manual windows, power steering, and a factory AM radio, which is currently inoperable. The attention to detail during the restoration ensures that the cabin looks period correct while remaining functional and comfortable. The seating configuration, dash layout, and trim choices all reflect Pontiac's commitment to driver-centric design, making it a car that feels both authentic and engaging behind the wheel. Instrumentation and controls. Instrumentation on this Firebird Trans Am is thorough and precise, designed to provide the driver with complete control over the car's performance. The rally gauges include a 160 miles per hour speedometer and an 8,000 RPM tachometer with an integrated clock, allowing for precise monitoring of speed and engine performance. Additional gauges for voltage, fuel level, and other critical metrics are clearly displayed, giving drivers confidence in their vehicle's condition at all times. The odometer currently reads 10,122 miles, with the title marked as mileage exempt. According to the seller, this figure represents the true mileage, demonstrating the car's limited use since its restoration and prior ownership. Collectors will appreciate this low-mileage example as it maintains the integrity of the vehicle's mechanical components and overall condition. Engine and transmission performance. At the heart of this Trans Am is the legendary L74 400 CI V8 engine, delivering 335 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and a robust 430 lb-ft of torque at 3,400 RPM. This engine is complemented by a 4-barrel carburetor and ram air induction system, ensuring strong acceleration, linear power delivery, and the unmistakable sound of classic American muscle. The engine is paired with a 3-speed Turbo Hydra-matic 400 automatic transmission, a durable and responsive unit capable of handling the high torque output of the V8. The transmission shifts smoothly, contributing to a driving experience that is both thrilling and comfortable. Enthusiasts will appreciate the mechanical authenticity and performance potential that this drivetrain offers. The service history highlights routine maintenance, including a recent oil change in August 2025, which ensures that the engine continues to operate at peak efficiency. The attention to proper maintenance further enhances the reliability and longevity of this classic Trans Am. Suspension, brakes, and undercarriage. The undercarriage of this 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am has been carefully restored and maintained, featuring a safety track differential with 3.55 gears, providing improved traction and stability during spirited driving. The power front disc brakes offer responsive stopping power, while the dual exhaust system provides a deep, resonant note that complements the car's aggressive appearance. The suspension system is tuned to balance comfort and performance, with classic Pontiac engineering that delivers a smooth ride while allowing the driver to exploit the car's performance capabilities. The overall undercarriage condition reflects the quality of the 2015 restoration, with all components meticulously inspected and restored to near-original condition. Trim tag and vehicle identification. For collectors, the trim tag provides critical information about the vehicle's original configuration. Style 22387 Firebird 2-door hardtop, plant Norwood, Ohio. Trim 208, black vinyl standard interior. Paint 10 polar white. Date 06D, 4th week of June 1970. WS4, Trans Am. These details verify the authenticity of the car as a true WS4 Trans Am, adding significant value to its collectible status. The care taken to maintain or replicate these original specifications enhances the appeal to serious enthusiasts and collectors who prioritize originality. Known imperfections. While this 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is in exceptional condition, it does have a few minor imperfections. Most notably, the factory AM radio is currently inoperable, a common issue in vintage vehicles that does not affect the overall functionality or enjoyment of the car. Given the age and low mileage nature of this example, the radio can be restored or replaced without impacting the vehicle's value significantly. Included documentation and extras. This Trans Am comes with a reproduction window sticker, providing buyers with a visual representation of how the car appeared when it originally left the factory. This document, combined with the clear title and the detailed restoration history, offers added confidence and provenance for collectors. Driving experience and appeal. Driving a 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is a visceral and engaging experience. The powerful L74 V8 engine delivers instant throttle response, while the Turbo Hydra-matic 400 automatic transmission provides smooth, effortless shifts. The shaker hood not only looks dramatic but also actively channels cooler air into the engine, enhancing performance and the classic muscle car roar. The car's suspension and braking systems provide a balanced ride, capable of handling sharp corners and open-road cruising with confidence. Whether displayed at a car show or driven on weekend excursions, this Firebird commands attention, turning heads with its striking polar white paint, blue graphics, and aggressive stance. Collectability and investment potential. The 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is a highly sought-after muscle car, especially in numbers-matching form with a documented restoration. Its combination of style, performance, and rarity makes it a desirable addition to any collection. The meticulous restoration, low mileage, and inclusion of original-style documentation enhance its appeal as both a collector's item and a driver's car. For enthusiasts who appreciate classic American muscle, this Firebird offers the perfect blend of historical significance, driving excitement, and visual appeal. Its WS4 Trans Am designation, L74 400 CI V8, and ram air induction system place it among the elite of Pontiac's performance lineup from the early 1970s. Conclusion. This 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am represents the pinnacle of classic American muscle car design and engineering. From its numbers-matching drivetrain to the carefully restored exterior and interior, Every detail has been thoughtfully preserved or enhanced. With its aggressive styling, powerful engine, and authentic restoration, this Firebird Trans Am is ready to impress collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether you are a seasoned collector seeking a high-quality addition to your garage, or an enthusiast eager to experience a legendary muscle car firsthand, this 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am offers everything that makes classic American cars unforgettable. With a clear title, reproduction window sticker, and documented restoration, it's a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history in near-perfect condition.